Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's Design Coffee Break. I'm Lisa, and I will be your coach today. If you come in, say hi in the chat, let us know where you're come from, and we want to know what ghoulish promotions your company or business is planning for Halloween this year. So this is Design Coffee Break. We're going to try to give you some tips on creating spectacular Halloween or spooktacular Halloween promotions in the next 15 minutes. So pour yourself a hot cup of coffee and we will get started. So with October creeping up fast, it's time to plan our Halloween marketing. And to help, PosterMyWall has published a new and more spooktacular than ever Halloween calendar. And it's got marketing tips and links to templates and links to tools and all kinds of great information that will have your customers so happy they will be howling at the moon. So today we're going to share with you the calendar, and we're going to share some of the tips from the calendar and show how you can use the tips on the calendar to Halloweenify any template in just about 5 minutes. The tools we'll be looking at today are creepy videos, fabulous fonts, did I say that right? Fabulous, spooky sounds, spellbinding stickers, and we'll show you how to pull this all together and create a ghostly template as fast as possible. Now I want to apologize, I could not find my witch hat, but at least I was able to find my pumpkin colored shirt to get in the spirit. Next year I will find my hat and I will have it next year. Anyway, Audrey is here with me and she is posting the link to our calendar in the chat so that you can grab that. It's just super useful. So I hope everybody grabs that free bonus content. And if you stay till the end, we do have a special discount that we'll be sharing. If you have any friends who might benefit from this, please do share. And this video will remain on the Facebook page, so you can come back whenever it's convenient for you. I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Audrey is in San Francisco. Audrey, do you have any questions or shout outs for us?
Looks like people are still coming in, but that bonus content is posted so they can follow along.
Awesome, awesome. So I am going to start by showing, let's see, no, that's my template. Okay, here's our calendar. All right, so this is our awesome Halloween calendar. And as you go through, every single link that it looks like a template, in fact, is a template. So you can use this to get to some of our new templates and some of our favorite templates without having to search. Also, on the different days, we have these wonderful tips. Some of them are links to articles and some of them are resources and some of them are a list of Halloween puns or funny for kid, like what do witches put out on to go trick-or-treating? Mascara. So if you like those kind of fun puns, we have on the 12th, that is the day where you can click and have those. So how do you spookify a template? Let me show you. So I've started with this Valentine's Day, and we're going to spookify it in 4 quick steps. Number 1 is start with a spooky background. So you can use, all of our stock images, video backgrounds, photo backgrounds. So I'm going to click replace and tell it to do a video, stock video. I could actually just type in Halloween just to see what we've got. And you can see we have scary and we have graveyards and we have jack-o'-lanterns and funky, creepy dance parties, and there's kids. We've got kids trick-or-treating, and I have to point out we have a video of a kid dressed as a hot dog, and I don't think there's anything cuter than a kid dressed as a hot dog. But for today's demo, I'm going to pick this one. You can see it's got bats around the moon, so I just click on it, click replace video, and there you go. And because I replaced the graphic that was already there, it rotated it for me. If I had just brought that video in, it would have been horizontal. I would have had to rotate, but still could have been done very quickly. So now I'm going to go back to the calendar and show you on the 22nd, we have this wonderful thing, which is Halloween fonts. So it clicks to a blog post. I've already pulled that up. So we've got these great must-use Halloween fonts. So I'm going to show you, I like this one, Liquidism. It looks like kind of blood dripping. And Henny Penny, which gets a copy that says like Bewitched. It's a great look. So I'm going to put those on my template now. So go back, change this to say Halloween, of course. And we're going to make this one Henny Penny. Type in the name of the font because I know what it is. Click on it. And there it says Halloween. And move the copy that says sale down. And now I'm going to change this one to Liquidism. And you can see that gives us that drippy look. It's not showing up great, so I'm going to make it bigger and change the color. All right. Let's make it an orange, kind of a pumpkin orange. There we are. And then I'm just going to drag this copy down because it's hiding a little bit with the moon. So now we have our copy, we have our bats. That's pretty Halloween-y. But we're going to go back to our calendar. And the other thing I love, on the 14th, we have a link to scary sound effects. And I don't know how many of you use, let us know in the chat, do you use the music and the sound effects that are in PosterMyWall? Because if you go through, we've got, if you click on this, on the, like I said, it was the 14th, I believe. Yes, the 14th, the spooky sounds. We've got picked out some favorite spooky sounds that you can click on and listen. So I actually picked one that I liked that is not on there. So as a bonus, you can see what I use. But so go under media, add stock audio. And I'm going to take in Halloween again. And you can see, I'll play a couple for you. So you've got Witch Cackle Laughter. Let's see, Old Cathedral Bell. So there are gazillions of things. I don't see my favorite right here, so I'm going to type in, yeah, if you want to find my favorite quickly, it is called Graveyard Trap. Type in graveyard, and there it is. Great, right? So I'm going to click add the audio clip. And let's see, should play. There we go. Awesome, awesome. And then for a final touch, I'm going to show you our spellbinding stickers. So click under Elements, add a sticker. Again, I'm going to search for Halloween to narrow it down. And I'm going to go with the ghost. I add my sticker. There he is. All right, he kind of pops up and down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move him over here. And I'm going to click, send him backward until he is behind the word sale. Oh, too far back, one back forward. And now when I push play, so there we've done it. In about 5 minutes, we have a Halloweenified design. Audrey, do we have any questions or comments?
We do have someone who's trying to figure videos out, and I said if they need any assistance with the video or audio clips, they can always email us. I did have a question. When you add a sticker or when you add audio, does your design automatically turn into a video? I know people have asked that question in the past.
It does. It does. So, but the nice thing is that once you've turned something to a video, you can add as many of those elements as you want. So if you're premium, and you use 3 credits to get to premium, to do your video, you can include the back, it would include the sound effect, the background video, and the sticker, all 3 of those things. Also, I also had some animation here in the text. So, that message rotates. anyway. So you can, kind of put in multiple elements for those 3 credits. Or, and of course, if you're Premium Plus, it is all entirely included. And if you're paying as you go, again, you just pay the fee for the video, and you can throw in all these other elements too. Anything else, Audrey?
So far, people are still just kind of reviewing your content. So thank you.
Okay. Awesome. And also, as Audrey said, you can email us. It's help@PosterMyWall.com. And if you time it right, you'll actually get Audrey, who will help you out. So now you know who answers your questions. All right, so Audrey's going to once again post that link in the chat for the Halloween calendar. I hope everybody takes a look. And we also have a promo code for today, 30% off with the promo code Spooky30, and that will be good until October 15th only. And that is good to upgrade from Premium to Premium Plus, or if you're a new subscriber. And I don't know if you guys are aware, but we used to have quarterly subscriptions. We've added monthly. So if you just, want to get 1 month of Premium Plus and, knock it out of the park and make 100 videos to use for the rest of the year, go for it. It is a great idea. Our next free class is going to be next Wednesday. It is called Build an Unforgettable Brand Identity with branding expert Lisa Dunn. Lisa's going to walk us through the process of creating a cohesive brand identity, from brand discovery to developing a brand style guide. And we will also have some templates for brand style guides that you can download and customize to your heart's content. So that will be next Wednesday, October 6th at 12:30 p.m. Eastern. So unless you have anything else, Audrey, that will be it for today. So thank you, everybody. Audrey, anything new?
Nope, we're good. We're good.
All right, awesome, everybody. Thank you for joining in. Please share your Halloween designs with us. We will share the ones we like, use that hashtag Learn with PosterMyWall, and we will share the best ones on our social media. So that's it for today. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you next week.